All right, now we're here with Gabe from EchoStar Communications, who's going to show us the star of the 2009 Consumer Electronics Show, the DishNetwork 922. Gabe, tell us a little bit about it.
Scott, this is a product we're very excited about this year. It is a duo DVR sling-loaded VIP 922. Got to get all those in to make sure it's accurate. First and foremost, the main change that we're looking at is the new remote. There are no numbers on this remote. You're not seeing a number pad on this remote anymore. We do have a touchpad feature. There are six function controls, 6 DVR controls, and on the back there's a trigger that activates what you're selected on. I'm going to show you the menu function first. This is a change, brand new menu functionality that we're looking at here. Basically, you can arrow over the different tiles and select the tile that you're looking at when you arrow over on the keypad. You can also go up to the weather bug and it'll bring out a 5-day forecast for you. I'll start by showing you the new guide, the new UI that we're looking at. First of all, we're looking at graphics, a lot more graphics that are included in this. You see the various content providers with the graphics listed, and also then when you arrow over the individual events, you can see the descriptions of them and get additional information over them. If you go out in the feed, if you're in the present time, it'll give you the option to view the content that you're looking at. In the future, it'll give you an option to select a timer. We'll look at the and also, one other item, if you do want to tune directly to a channel, you hit the keypad button on the remote and it'll bring up a keypad for you. We'll cancel out of that real quick. I'll show you another functionality that we've loaded since there is no keypad. Different ways of moving around. First of all, you have 15 options that you can populate as your favorites. Point and click, like your radio buttons on your radio dial. You put your favorites in there and it selects them. It's easy as clicking the plus button or selecting the minus button to remove it from the guide. Another option that you have is you don't know what channel you want to look at, but you know you want to watch something on CNN. You merely start to type CNN and it'll begin to populate the field, and as you get closer, CNN, it'll bring up all your CNN channels there, and you can select which of those CNN channels either you want to view or you can add to your favorites list there. The next feature that's changed is the DVR functionality. Same basic DVR functionality, but a new way to look at your content that's provided. Again, graphics are there. We're going to have a variety of different options for you to group. You can either go with no groups, you can group by title, theme, source, or you can even create your own groups. If you have a specific content that you like to watch and your wife has content that she likes to watch, then she can have her folder, you can have yours.
I like that one.
It's a good one. Another one we're going to look at is the tile functionality. We started to talk about a little bit out on the main menu. This box is going to be have a fully integrated browser on it, where we've used other sources to do interactive capability in the past. This one will have a browser. So some of the apps that we have been getting to work on is one like a sports app. So if you want your sports scores and your sports information daily, you can merely click on this app and choose what you want to look at. And if you want to see current NFL information, it'll bring up current NFL stories. It'll give you NFL scoreboard. You want to look at more, it'll select that. It'll bring up the full story that you can scroll through, and it'll also give you additional headlines that you can scroll through on the other side. Let's get back out of this, get into another one. Another tile that we're looking at is photos. Photos will work similar to basically your online photo sharing applications. You'll create a create a photo sharing account on an online site. You upload your photos to that. You select what you want, and you'll be able to view these photos on your screen. You can also make them full screen. You can view them as a slideshow and work through that. In the future, with some other capabilities, you'll be able to pull those directly from your hard drive onto your PC.
Now, another great feature of the 922 is it has built-in Slingbox capabilities, which means you can watch your television anywhere. This is the 922 you're looking at currently, and besides doing that, Dish introduced a new product this year that also features the Sling technology that runs off the 922, and that's right behind me here. It's the VIP 922 monitor. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
So what we're looking at here is a Wi-Fi monitor. Basically, you connect your set-top box to your Wi-Fi network in your home, and you'll be able to view content from your set-top box using the Sling connection throughout your household. Basically, you can plug this monitor. You can plug this monitor anywhere in the house. It will access Wi-Fi, so you can put it in the kitchen. You use the Sling functionality, bring it up, has the same look and feel that we've experienced onto the set-top box, and you can view it anywhere in your home.
So no matter where you are in your house, as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, you can watch your television anywhere. Just plug it in the wall and you're good to go, right?
That's correct, Scott. And with the Sling capability, not only can you watch it in your home, you can watch it from your laptop, you can watch it from your cell phone, you can watch it anywhere that you have internet access. You can take your content with you anywhere.
Well, this morning when Mark Jackson introduced this thing, he started reading over some of the features. And if you read the press release, there's so many features in it that it probably would have taken him about an hour to tell you what everything this box can do. It is an innovations winner here this year at the CES Consumer Electronics Show. And Gabe, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you,
and I'm looking forward to getting one of these in my home.